sounds so corny to say it, but I literally tear up when I see how quickly everything is growing, like by the inch. You know what I'm saying? Do you want to...
No.
You sure you don't want to show them your kills?
Too late.
Do a little something?
I'm just propping up this plant here.
Okay, come on.
Bye-bye.
So this is the courtyard at MOFO, which has been a joy to have. And I can't wait for the pandemic to be over because we'll be able to welcome people from all over Simcoe County and Barrie and Toronto and Muskoka and everything else. So here we are. Nana Van Maris is the genius who designed all this. Come back in a month and you'll see it just bursting with peonies and roses and everything. And when we're here, you know, in 3 weeks, all this will flesh out and the leaves will be out. And the vines in October here are all flaming red. I mean, it's just gorgeous.